Quiet compressor. Operating at just 65 decibels, this quiet compressor allows for a peaceful working environment. Its design ensures minimal noise pollution, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor use. 120-volt power. Powered by a reliable 120-volt system, this air compressor delivers consistent performance. It ensures efficient operation, making it dependable for both professional and personal use. Oil-free pump. Featuring an oil-free pump, this portable air compressor requires minimal maintenance. Its design ensures long-lasting durability and reduces the need for regular servicing. Durable design. Equipped with large wheels and a durable rubber grip steel handle, this compressor is easy to transport. Its sturdy construction is designed to withstand the rigors of frequent use. 8-gallon air compressor. This 8-gallon air compressor offers a portable solution for your projects, ensuring ample capacity for various tasks. Its large tank size provides extended runtime,